I have a 100-year-old tree on my property that I love. My father-in-law kept suggesting I cut it down, but I had it trimmed instead. When my wife and I separated, he convinced her to cut it down without my knowledge. I was heartbroken to see the tree gone when I returned. Now my father-in-law is sending me the bill for the removal, but I didn't want the tree cut down in the first place. My wife and I are trying to work things out, and I'm refusing to pay the bill since they didn't clear it with me first. I feel they overstepped their boundaries, and I'm still grieving the loss of my beloved tree.